Hello, good afternoon everyone. Hello, how are you doing? Today we have a GoPro 8 camera, and I'm going to show you how to open, close and change the door of the port of your battery compartment. Okay, so you can see this is the battery compartment. The battery door is completely flash and then sealed closed properly. In order to open it, we're going to push this little lever at the bottom, push it down. There we go. We can see a red marker, then pull it up like this, up to this level, about just slightly less than 90 degrees. Okay, I'm going to show you how to remove the battery as well. You can pull the battery from battery compartments. There we go. You can see the SD card, which is flashed done. Now we're gonna put the battery back all in. Make sure before you close the door that the battery is full in and that's flash. So we're going to push back the door all the way down. Here we go. Keep it flash. Stop.